Using the screen room here because the flies are pretty bad out here during the day. It's been in the mid 80s. I think the heat's bringing them out. So allows us to have a little outdoor kitchen setup. It's the Camp Chef oven. This is Kelly's. We're doing out some fries. Okay, the Camp Chef oven cooked up the fries very nicely. The original idea was to do poutine, but we didn't have gravy, so we're doing fries, French fries with pulled pork, cheese curds, a little bit of mozzarella cheese, topped with some green onions. I think it's looking mighty fine. I'm gonna grab a fork and dig in, and then some cookies are going in for dessert. Ruh-roh. Finally getting around to using my latest carving project here. And this is a spatula I made from ash wood that I got 2 summers ago in Maine off one of my uncle's property. So far it's working pretty good. Kind of a spatula with a little bit of a curve to it.
Perfect shape for spanking.
Alright, decided to do up a little bit of English muffin, toasted those on the trivet. Look at these eggs, turned out perfect. I'm gonna get those out of there. That's a well-seasoned cast iron skillet right there. There it is. It's just how I like my egg. Turned out perfect. Use a little bit of this lime chili sauce I just got in Mexico. Tried it the other night and it's really good. Nice and mild. Some of that on the taters. A bit on the egg. Now that's a good breakfast. I probably won't have to have lunch. Well, here we are waking up to a beautiful day on the pond. Sun is just rising. Birds are singing. Clouds are looking beautiful. Getting an early start today. Gonna pull out of camp. It's departure day. Got the van just about loaded up, ready to go. Gonna be moving on from Arizona today. Okay, goodbye Fortuna Lake. We got just enough rain last night to keep the dust down on these dirt roads, so that should be nice. I talked with a lot of these folks that are camped here. Most of them are from Canada, British Columbia, Alberta. They all come down for the winter. They get a 6-month stay down here, and it's just about that time for them to be heading up. Most of them have to be back by April. Very nice people. Another one there, British Columbia. Another one here, British Columbia. Hey, there's a pure Michigan plate. Not everyone is from Canada. Close though. This lake does have a little porta potty type bathroom and a dumpster. I'm going to drop off some trash here before I head out. Didn't generate much trash here, but I got one little bag I'll leave. We'll make our way out of here. Well, as usual, this camp here in Holtville is always just an overnight for me. It's a little stop-off point before I go into my hometown. Did rain all night last night, and it's nice and gray this morning and cool, misty. So gonna head up to the hot spring and do a nice soak before getting on the highway. So should be a good way to start out the day. The adventure continues. Okay, we're out here getting stuck in the mud. Fortunately, Kelly was able to air down her tires and back out of this. We're gonna try to find a harder packed road, but I had a close call. I barely made it out. Felt like I was in North Dakota again in the farm fields. These little 12-volt air compressors are a great thing to have when you're on the road, hitting the dirt roads, in case you ever need to air your tires down like Kelly did. I probably should have, but I was able to make it out. I swore I was gonna get stuck at one point, but Kelly's got one too. She's getting hers aired up so we can get back on the road. Okay, this is our rare occasion when there's actually nobody else at the hot spring here. Nice big concrete pools. Water is pretty hot. I think it's 102, 104. And this overflow one is a little bit cooler. And then of course they've got the shower thing. This is coming straight out of the geothermal pipe going into the ground. So you can go over and rinse off before you get in. That's kind of the etiquette. Or you can just stand here and not even get in the tub. This water is hot. I've got to stand way out here for it to be tolerable. And then also here, you've got the nozzle that you can fill up a jug or fill up as much as you want. It's unlimited mineral water, nice and hot. Take it back to camp, shower with it, do what you will. Very cool spot. Like a little oasis in the desert, and it's free. Holtville Hot Springs. There's a little overflow pond outside of the hot springs surrounded by all these palm trees. Real pretty. There's a bunch of fish in here. This water is a little warm, mostly over on this side. That's where the hot spring is overflowing to fill this up. No swimming allowed in here, and I believe no fishing allowed either. Like a little oasis out in the middle of the desert. Check it out, guys. I'm in the bathroom here. Big old scorpion just came in from under the door crack. Well, I really don't want to kill this guy. I just use my pinchers. I use these for picking up trash and snakes and stuff like this. So I just grabbed him and pulled him out of the bathroom. I let the guy know that was just about to go in there. And he seems to have calmed down. He's got his tail down. They're beautiful. Actually a very beautiful insect. Spider family, I think, right? Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to give a quick update. This video, actually, as it posts, the footage is a couple weeks old. It's been a crazy last couple weeks. Heading from Yuma, Arizona, stopping in Holtville, like we saw in the video, and then now I'm in San Diego. Kelly came with me. She had the opportunity to meet my family. We were going to have a family gathering for my grandfather's 95th birthday. But with the current state of affairs, with having a pandemic on our hands, we decided to not have the gathering. I was able to go up and spend some time with him, just me and my mom and Kelly, and he's doing well. 95 years is a long time to be alive. It was great to see him. May be able to see him one more time before I head out. I'm going to be leaving San Diego in just a couple days from the time this video is posted, and you guys are seeing this. So if anything, I just really hope you guys are doing well out there. This is just a crazy time. A lot of people are getting sick and dying, and it's just a weird time to be alive. So more than anything, I just hope you all are doing well out there. Please let me know in the comment section how you guys are doing, how you're getting through this. I'm going to be posting another video soon, hopefully this week as well, to kind of catch up more with you guys. But I just wanted to throw this in at the end of this video here. Just thinking of you all out there. I know I've got viewers all over the world, and this is just, again, kind of trying times for a lot of us, so hopefully we can all just stay safe and well, and see each other again in the next video. Take care for now. Talk to you soon. Peace.